top agency trainer. One of Mr. Mullins' protege.
How that happen? Mr. Mullins sanctioned that?
No. Cynthia.
Where's Donovan?
Funny you should ask that, you know. He has been conveniently off the island since the shitstorm started.
That's where I will start looking. Do you want me to pay him a visit?
Too easy. My years of experience in this line of endeavor has told me I should look beyond the obvious. Plus, your skills are needed for a much bigger assignment.
You know, all you need to do is say the word.
You still have that piece of equipment that disables cameras for 5 minutes.
Yes, I do. You didn't take it back from me.
Excellent. I'm going to give you a new one. This one will take them down for 10 minutes.
Is there any casualty involved in this particular assignment?
Yeah. We're just going to kill a couple of megabytes. That was a good one, wasn't it? You know what? I think that deserves a drink.
Water, tea, or Malta? Because I'm not giving you anything with alcohol in it.
This is a bar, isn't it? Oh, I'm sorry. You're afraid Bubbles will come and give you a proper spanking.
We both know better than that. Bubbles beat me. But I do agree with her. You should not be drinking anything with alcohol in it.
I never see smoke without fire. That's why I'm always a call her name. You sure say him and her not involved in a no other way than this?
I don't think it that deep. But because of the high risk business we're in, Cynthia requests them get training from the highest class trainer.
That still don't make no sense to me, boss. Look how much other man in the same business we're in. Them never get none of that training here. So why him so special to she?
So what you say? You think Cynthia compromised too?
Well, bossy, sometimes people just have to do what them have to do based on the situation with them in. Nobody knows but them. All me I say, we can't rule out now.
You're right. We can't rule out nothing at all.
So our next move? What I'm meeting here about?
This.
What that?
Tell me something. How long have you been an agent?
You know as well as I do. What's the point?
Have you been able to remember anything after that shot in your head 11 years ago?
I had amnesia for 6 months, David. You know this. What are you getting at?
And do you still wake up not remembering what you did or where you had been?
Not in the last year.
Okay.
David, what's wrong? Why all these questions?
That's what we're about to find out. Based on what Cynthia said, information about the nightmares might be on it.
So that means Sting and Was might be there.
Exactly. And others that we don't know about. This thing where Pops are try to hide sleepers from we ends now. Whoa.
Oh, go on.
If this ever drop in at the wrong hands, a trouble. Encrypted bank files plus other encrypted documents.
Bossy, this not easy for going on, you know. You're gonna need time, like solid time.
Not only time, we're gonna need an expert. And I don't know if anybody like that in the agency. "27 sleepers and 8 nightmares. What we don't know about? See there? Stinger and Wasp. They're the top of the list. And them do everything together.
But bossy, pretty levels. It's a reason why them put them together. Was have Sting. So it's also a code.
Everything pan this coded. Let me try some. No face. Read this.
Hypnotizing. Bossy, I never know say drill. I only hear about this. I sure alone watch them thing there, I know.